Elevate your cooking skills and explore new culinary possibilities with kitchen gadgets. In this video, we'll show you 18 cool kitchen gadgets on Amazon. Let's get started. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, these tongs are built to last and tackle tough jobs for years to come. Their durable construction ensures they can withstand the heat of your grill while remaining dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Designed with the user in mind, these tongs are lightweight and feature heat-resistant rubber grips, allowing for safe handling even without gloves. The convenient locking mechanism not only saves space, but also provides a built-in hanger for easy storage and organization. Their extra-long design minimizes the risk of accidents, keeping your hands away from the heat. The vacuum sealer that keeps your food fresh 5 times longer than traditional storage methods. Say goodbye to food waste and hello to savings. This powerful yet compact device is incredibly easy to use. With just the press of a button, it vacuum seals a bag in 5 seconds and automatically shuts off when done. No more complicated, bulky sealers taking up precious counter space. Chef Preserve comes with reusable, resealable bags that are dishwasher, freezer, refrigerator, and microwave safe. This mat offers 3 temperature settings and an automatic timing function, perfect for heating dishes, thawing meats, fermenting dough, and more. Designed for convenience, this flexible silicone mat rolls up for compact storage, making it ideal for busy lifestyles. Crafted from top-quality nanomaterials, it's both heat-resistant and durable for long-term use. The internal graphene film ensures quick, even heating across the entire surface. A 2-centimeter non-heated border prevents accidental burns, and an automatic 4-hour shut-off feature provides peace of mind. Each tray creates 6 giant 2-inch square ice cubes, ideal for cocktails, whiskey, and other beverages. But that's not all. These versatile trays are also great for freezing soups, sauces, baby food, and portioned meals. Designed with convenience in mind, these stackable trays feature tight-fitting lids to keep your ice fresh and odor-free. The durable, BPA-free silicone construction ensures easy release of the cubes, no twisting or bending required. Simply push from the bottom, and your ice is ready to use. This vertical stripe dispenser features a blank wooden label, perfect for customizing to your needs. Whether it's for soap, lotion, hand sanitizer, or dish soap, this versatile dispenser has you covered. Its high-quality 304 stainless steel pump head resists rust, ensuring long-lasting brightness and extended use. The strong, toughened glass body adds elegance to any space while being easy to clean. Standing 7.5 inches tall with a 3-inch diameter, this dispenser holds an impressive 16 ounces of liquid. That's about 480 milliliters, meaning fewer refills and more convenience for you. This multi-use mini dish rack offers 3 different setup options to suit your space and preferences. Use it on the counter with the included silicone drying mat, or place it in the sink with expandable bars for over-sink drying. Designed for compact spaces, this expandable dish rack measures 14.2 inches long, 6.5 inches wide, and 6 inches high. The supporting bars adjust from 14 to 19.2 inches, making it perfect for 1 to 2 person households or kitchens with limited counter space. Maximize your kitchen's functionality by using the silicone drying mat separately for fruits and cups, while the rack sits in the sink for plates and utensils. This efficient colander quickly removes excess water and oils from pasta, while also making it easy to clean fruits and vegetables. Perfect for family gatherings, outings, and picnics, it's both functional and decorative. Designed with precision, the Gulex colander features tiny, closely spaced holes for fast draining. The sturdy mesh won't warp, stretch, or snag, even under heavy loads. Say goodbye to lost spaghetti. These holes are small enough to keep all your pasta in place. The footed design promotes quick and easy drainage, while the solid ring base prevents tipping. This accessory protects your cabinets by redirecting steam to the counter, preventing moisture damage and warping. Its snug fit ensures no pressure escapes during cooking, maintaining efficiency and safety. Crafted from food-grade PP material, this BPA-free diverter is heat-resistant up to 200 degrees Celsius, ensuring safe use with your pressure cooker. It's durable enough to withstand high temperatures while keeping your food safe. The clever hook design allows for easy hanging storage, saving valuable kitchen space. This stackable steamer rack fits 6 and 8-quart Instant Pots, allowing you to cook up to 18 eggs simultaneously. Designed for versatility, the top rack measures 7.87 inches wide and 2.95 inches high, while the base rack is 7.87 inches wide and 1.5 inches high. Each circle is 1.42 inches in diameter, perfectly sized for eggs. Crafted from food-grade 304 stainless steel, this Ninja Foodie accessory is sturdy, harmless, and rust-proof, ideal for holding all types of food. Its versatility extends beyond eggs, serving as a steam rack, cooling rack, pot stand, or tray for muffin pans, fruits, meats, and seafood. This comprehensive set includes a 10-inch, 2-tier bamboo steamer, perfect for cooking a variety of dishes simultaneously. The included stainless steel adapter ring fits pots and pans from 8 to 11 inches, eliminating the need for a specialized wok. Simply place the steamer on your existing cookware and start steaming your favorite Asian foods. Aspiring dumpling chefs will love the included accessories. 2 dumpling molds and skin cutters in different sizes allow you to create perfect dumplings with ease. This set includes 2 molds, each with 7 perfectly sized cavities, allowing you to prepare 14 different flavors at once. Designed for compatibility, these 6.2-inch diameter molds fit seamlessly into 3QT 6QT air fryers, Ninja Foodie accessories, and various sizes of Instant Pots. They're also suitable for use in pressure cookers, microwaves, ovens, and slow cookers. A standout feature is the included lid, which fits snugly to eliminate odors and preserve freshness. It also allows for easy stacking, enabling you to cook or store multiple batches simultaneously. Elevate your coffee experience with the Nespresso Aeroxino 3 Milk Frother, the perfect companion to your coffee maker or espresso machine. This versatile device offers hot milk foam, hot milk, or cold froth at the touch of a button. Operation is simple: 1 second of button pressure for hot milk and froth, 2 seconds for cold milk froth. Crafted from stainless steel and black plastic, it quickly heats milk to an ideal 160 to 170 degrees Fahrenheit. The Aeroxino 3's sleek design features a slim base, fitting easily into any kitchen setup. This versatile 2-in-1 appliance brings the joy of outdoor grilling into your kitchen, rain or shine. Designed for convenience, this grill allows you to prepare your entire meal at once. Grill your chicken on one side while frying vegetables on the other, all with minimal cleanup afterwards. The non-stick cooking plate is a game changer. Easily removable and adjustable, it lets you cook with little to no oil, perfect for health-conscious meals. And don't worry about mess. The oil drip tray catches all the grease. Transform your pantry storage with the REFLYING over-the-door pantry organizer. This versatile, adjustable unit offers a customizable solution for all your organizational needs. Featuring a multi-hole design, the support bar allows you to freely position the 6-tier mesh baskets exactly where you need them. Adjust the height or hang them on the door. The choice is yours. Crafted from premium iron material, this organizer is built to last. The double screw construction ensures a durable, tight hold so your items stay secure no matter how full the baskets get. This caddy simply buckles around your faucet. No wall mounting or suction cups required. Just be sure to double-check the size to ensure a perfect fit. Versatility is key. This caddy can hold sponges, soap, cleaning cloths, brushes, lotion bottles, and more. It's the ideal organizer for your kitchen sink, bathroom vanity, or any small workspace. The cloud-inspired design inside the thick, clear plastic shell adds a stylish touch to your space. And the transparent walls allow you to easily see and access the contents. Crafted from durable and high-quality polypropylene, These storage containers are built to last. They're odorless, semi-transparent, and designed with a sturdy, thick construction to handle heavy loads. These premium bins are the ideal choice for long-term storage and organization. The HoneySky plastic storage bins are collapsible and tool-free. Simply snap the pieces together in just a few seconds to assemble, and when not in use, they can be folded down to fit neatly in small spaces. The stackable design allows you to easily organize and store multiple bins, with each layer securely locking into place thanks to the built-in buckles on the sides. This super-fast thermometer features a 3.9-inch stainless steel probe that delivers a temperature readout in just 3 to 5 seconds with high precision. With a temperature range of 58 to 572 degrees Fahrenheit and an accuracy of 0.9 degrees, you can trust this kitchen tool to provide you with reliable, accurate readings every time. The foldable probe design allows for easy storage. Simply fold it away and lock it into the base for portability. Plus, the magnetic back and hanging hook make it a breeze to keep this thermometer close at hand, whether you're grilling, baking, or monitoring the temperature of your favorite dishes. Say goodbye to wasteful paper towels and introduce the incredible MoLKENE Swedish dishcloths into your home. These versatile cleaning cloths are designed to be super absorbent, absorbing up to 20 times their own weight in liquid. Perfect for wiping down surfaces, washing dishes, mopping up spills, and more. These Swedish dishcloths are the ultimate multi-purpose cleaning tool. But what sets them apart is their commitment to sustainability. Unlike traditional sponges or rags that can harbor odors, the MoLKENE Swedish dishcloths dry incredibly fast, preventing the buildup of bacteria and smells.